Welcome to the online classes. Here, this is lecture number 2 in chemical kinetics, and today we will discuss about unit of rate constant. In our previous lecture, we discussed rate of a reaction, average rate of a reaction, instantaneous rate of a reaction, factors affecting rate of a reaction, rate law and order of a reaction. So today we will discuss a unit of rate constant, which is K. Okay. Now considering a general equation or reaction. Considering a general reaction which as follows: A, capital A, small b, capital B, and capital small c, capital C, small d and capital D. Here A, B, C, D. These small a, b, c, d are stoichiometric coefficient. For this rate expression, for this reaction, rate expression is equals to K, concentration of reactant A raised to the power X, concentration of reactant B raised to the power Y. As we learn in rate law that rate of a reaction is directly proportional to the reactant concentration, where reactant concentration being raised to the some power. Here X and Y are respective powers of reactant A and reactant B. Concentration of reactant A and concentration of reactant B. Okay. For this rate expression, order is equals to sum of these powers, which we consider as n. Okay. So we have to find out unit of rate constant. That means we have to find out unit of this K. That means we can also write this rate expression as K rate over concentration of A raised to the power X and concentration of B raised to the power Y. For zero order reaction, first of all, for zero order reaction, आपका जो ऑर्डर रहेगी जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन में वो क्या हो जाएगी? जीरो. दैट मीन्स x plus y is equals to 0. Here we have to find out rate constant, unit of rate constant. So K is equals to rate over concentration of A and concentration of B raised to power X and Y respectively. Okay. First of all, unit of rate. Unit of rate. How can we find unit of rate? As we know, rate of a reaction is the change in concentration per unit time. That means change in concentration per unit time. As we know, rate is equals to concentration over time, and concentration, the SI unit of concentration. SI unit of concentration is mole liter inverse, and SI unit of time is SI unit of time is second inverse, or we can take also minute inverse. So for zero order reaction आपका जो रेट एक्सप्रेशन है वो कुछ इस तरीके से है, एंड जो ऑर्डर आपका रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा? जीरो. एंड SI यूनिट ऑफ रेट इज मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकेंड इनवर्स. जो आपका SI यूनिट ऑफ टाइम है वो सेकेंड रहेगा, एंड जब होलसम हम लेंगे किसका? रेट के लिए लेंगे, तो SI यूनिट वो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? सेकेंड इनवर्स. मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकेंड. तो ये कंप्लीट आपका क्या हो जाएगा? मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकेंड इनवर्स. Here we put this value, and this is also concentration terms, and concentration again SI unit of concentration is mole liter inverse. Here order is 0 because this is zero order reaction. So we get mole liter inverse second inverse. constant for zero order reaction. Here mole liter inverse raised to the power 0, that means 1. Any value raised to the power 0 gets 1. Okay, so unit of rate constant for zero order reaction is mole liter inverse second inverse. Get it? Now coming to the next point, unit of rate constant for first order reaction. Unit of rate constant for first order reaction. For first order reaction, in the same rate expression, order, that means x plus y, we get 1, and rate constant, that means rate over again the same rate expression. If is it first order reaction, then what is the rate constant for rate constant or unit of rate constant? Then rate again the same concentration, mole liter inverse second inverse, and here these are again concentration, and the value of unit for rate concentration is mole liter inverse raised to the power 1. So we get mole and mole inverse. So and simply we can cancel out, मोल से आपका मोल कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, लीटर इनवर्स से आपका लीटर इनवर्स कैंसिल आउट होगा, बिकॉज वैल्यू इनकी क्या है, पावर क्या है, 1 पावर है, तो ये सेम वैल्यू होने से आपका क्या हो जाएगा, दोनों आपके कैंसिल आउट जाएंगे. वी हैव ओनली सेकंड इनवर्स. दैट मींस यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इज सेकंड इनवर्स, और वी कैन आल्सो राइट मिनट इनवर्स. समटाइम्स वी यूज मिनट इनवर्स आल्सो. Minute inverse. This is unit of rate constant for first order reaction. Now coming to the next point, for second order reaction. For second order reaction, unit of rate constant. This is mole liter inverse second inverse for the same rate expression, and here mole liter inverse raised to the power 2, because here order is 2. Then we get mole, here mole power 2 and here mole power raised to the power 1. If this comes up, so we cancel out 1 mole power with 2, so here मोल रेज़्ड टू पावर 1 एंड हेयर मोल्स पावर -2 अगर अब जाएगा तो आपके पास वैल्यू रहेगी मोल रेज़्ड टू पावर -1, एंड एल रेज़्ड टू पावर -2 अगर अब जाएगा तो हो जाएगा एल रेज़्ड टू पावर +2 एंड +2 एंड -1 लीटर, दैट और लास्ट वन सेकंड इनवर्स. ओके, सो फॉर सेकंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट इज मोल इनवर्स लीटर सेकंड इनवर्स. ओके, गेट इट? नाउ that's all for today. So we will meet in our next video or next class.